Introducing Swann's Outdoor Security Camera. It's weatherproof Wi-Fi surveillance featuring stunning 1080p Full HD video and a compact, sturdy design that's designed for mounting outdoors. It's the perfect solution for homes and businesses looking for smart, weatherproof, affordable surveillance. It's standalone, so there's no need for a DVR or a hub, as it connects directly to your Wi-Fi router. To control what you see, use voice commands with Alexa devices that have a screen, and see videos from cameras on your Alexa device.
Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay, starting the stream.
You'll enjoy peace of mind wherever you are, 24/7 with the outdoor security camera installed. It also runs on Wi-Fi. Just plug it into an electrical outlet, join your Wi-Fi network, and then pair it with the Safe by Swann mobile app for easy live viewing, recording, playback, push notifications, and more. The camera also features an Ethernet port, which is perfect for scenarios of weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal that need to go through thick external walls. The long 60-foot, 18-meter Siamese power extension and Ethernet cable give you great flexibility of mounting locations. Swann's True Detect heat sensing technology reduces false triggers created by moving tree branches or birds. It thermally detects objects such as people, cars, and large animals for reliable motion recordings and push notifications. Count on True Detect to let you know what's happening as it happens. Witness every detail 24/7 with 1080p full high-definition video, a wide 110-degree viewing angle, and crisp night vision up to 100 feet or 30 meters. The built-in microphone records audio and enriches evidence by allowing you to hear noises and identify voices by age, gender, accent, or language. With sturdy construction, the camera is perfect for outdoor or indoor use in any weather condition. It's virtually limitless. Use it to protect your vehicle, oversee your business, keep an eye on entrances and exits, and even keep an eye on the secret life of your pets. Or keep a lookout and catch porch pirates. Store up to 7 rolling days of video clips to the camera's internal memory for free. And know you're even further protected with 2 days of free secure cloud storage, which you can expand to 30 days with the Extra Safe Cloud subscription plan. Combine the outdoor security camera with the addition of more outdoor cams, the Swann Indoor Security Cam, or the battery-powered Smart Security Camera to create your own Wi-Fi security system and conveniently monitor them all by the Safe by Swann app. When you're on the go, view live or recorded video, receive push notifications, and even playback recordings right on your 3G, 4G-enabled mobile device using the free Safe by Swann mobile app. You'll always know what's happening. Swann's cutting-edge Wi-Fi 1080p Full HD outdoor security camera. It's worry-free home security from Swann, the world's #1 name in security made smarter.